Now in this video, I want to talk about how you can open the hidden apps in the iPhone. Let's get into it. So if you swipe over to the app library, at the bottom you might notice that we have a hidden folder with only like blank icons as placeholders. And essentially this is the hidden place. So as you can see, when you click on it, you have to authenticate yourself with Face ID. But when you do scan your face, you can see which apps are hidden. So in my case, it is the Zoom workplace. Obviously, it's just an example, right? But even if I go to the multitasking panel, I cannot see anything as just like hidden. So it works well, and that's how you can get there, right? So that's again just holding down or tapping on the folder, scanning your face, and you're gonna be good to go. You can click on don't require Face ID on those apps and essentially unhide the app that way. So therefore, you will end up with a empty hidden folder, which works as well. You don't necessarily have to put anything in there, but that's how it works, and that's how you can work and use the hidden folder. Then, of course, you can bring some other apps in there by holding down on them and clicking on require Face ID. You'll get a splash screen like this telling you and showing you how exactly it'll work, but it will just make the app hidden away inside of that hidden folder. So it is a great feature if you ask me. It adds like a layer of security in there, but yeah, use it the way that I've shown you and you're gonna be good to go. So thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you sticking till the end. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.